it's been cut out. What we do next is to apply bias binding at this edge and this C edge, just to make it look neater. Let's go and apply our bias binding. I'll get back. So just get your bias binding, insert your material in the middle like this, fold and stitch to give it a neat look. So we apply our bias binding on this side too. So you remember our 6.5 by 3 centimeter. This is it. We also apply bias binding all over it. So what we are going to do next is to take a measurement of how it's going to be fixed like this. Just make a small mark. Kindly make use of your magic pencil so that you'll be able to clean it afterwards. Do the same here. So you apply gum all over this place so that when you put it, it will be able to stay like this. Now we've applied gum all over this place. As you can see, there is gum all over this place now. So I'm going to apply gum here. I'm going to apply gum here. Just like this. I've applied gum here. I've applied gum here. What we'll do next is to stick it on gently, taking consideration of the mark area. Turn around. You stick it on. And you get your mallet. For framing. So we have this. This is all we have. So we are going to do this at the four corner of the of the pair. I will get back. Let me do the rest and I'll get back. So before you stick it on, just make a line to indicate where the halfway we go. This is half on the front, half at the other side. You put it using the line as a guideline and using this line as a guideline where it's going to stick on. And you stick it on gently. So we've sticked it on both sides. So now let's go and stitch it for reinforcement. We can't just leave it like this so that it does not remove later on. So we are going to stitch it again for reinforcement. So let me go to the machine. So we've stitched it. This is it. What we'll do next is to bend this one a little bit like this and stitch here straight. Bend this one again. That is where our lace is going to pass through, and stitch here straight. This is where the toes will come in. So we are also going to bend here like this and stitch here straight. Remember, we also use bias binding on it like this. So we are going to bend it like this and stitch here straight. Just stitch it to avoid removing later on. Then you bend the wing just slightly enough for the lace to pass through and stitch. Now the lace can pass through. On this part, you bend it slightly so that the lace will be able to pass through. And stitch at the front, taking consideration to catch it at the back. Good. So it has been stitched. We've gotten this result. So what we'll do next is to divide this into two. This is about 1 inch. As you can see, it's 1 inch to where the black bias binding is. So we'll divide by ½ an inch. You can see the rule of the ½ an inch. For you to divide by the ½ an inch, you just make a small marking where it will be. Small marking like this. Then you just place your ruler straight and you roll it down straight. After I finish rolling it down, you now take away 1 centimeter from here. From this side to this side is 1 centimeter. You take it away, you mark it, even this space. You come to the top, take away 1 centimeter as well. From this side to this side is 1 centimeter. You mark it. So from that 1 centimeter we'll take away. What we have left is 6 inches. As you can see, we have 6 inches left. So from there you can now make your markings of 1 inch each where your holes will be. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 holes at the end of the day. So you can decide to do 5 holes, you can decide to do 6 holes, but I want to make 7 holes. So let's do this on the other sides and we'll get back. Again, this is how I got our button holes. Take away 1 centimeter from the bottom, take it away. From the up, take away 1 centimeter. Remember, when you are taking it away, you mark. When you take away from the bottom, you mark also, so that you know where you've taken away. You take away 1 centimeter here, you take away 1 centimeter here. From that place you mark, place your ruler. Using inches this time around, place your ruler. Using 1 inch each. Some people can use 1.5, some people decide can use 2 inches, but I want to use 1 inch. Using 1 inch, 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm having 6 holes. So at the end of the day, I will end up having probably 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm having 7 holes. Some people can decide to use 1.5 holes, 1.5 inches or 2 inches, but I just want to make it 1 inch each. I hope you understand. The place you mark, you get your punch 4. Place it on that marked area and you punch it. Don't forget to use your punching board. So we've punched it through. Our upper is ready. This is our upper. These 2 components. So we set it aside and we'll go to the sole making. Now let's get the sole. This is my a pattern of a slippers. Just get your slippers, place it on your cardboard or carryboard and trace out. You get something like this. Once you get something like this, you get your insole. This is called insole. You get it. It's something that will be up before the sole. You get it. You turn it to the other side. Place your pattern on it and you trace out like I have done this now. You trace out and you cut. I've cut this one out, so let me cut the second one. So we've gotten a pair of insole. And it's this. We've gotten a pair. We set it aside. We get our sole. This is our sole. Soles are most times rough to avoid being slippery. This is our sole. I've gotten one leg, so let me cut out the other leg. So we've gotten our pair of sole. It's going to be like this. Like this. So we are going to get back to the sole later. Let's just drop those ones. All we need now is this one.